It's Wednesday. That means it's time for Healthy Living. Today, Cindy Elliott joins us from the Vigo County Health Department, and this is the perfect time to talk about heat-related illnesses and what we can do to prevent them. Thank you so much for joining us. And with these temperatures, what are some of the immediate things that we can do to make sure that we don't get sick?
Well, heat stroke is something that's going to happen with the high temperatures we have had, and with that said, people should try to hydrate themselves as often as they can, drink lots of water. Also, Gatorade's another good choice for that, but water is key with that. If you think that someone might have heat stroke, make sure you get them into the nice, cool, shaded area, and then call for help if you need help.
And also, some ways that we can protect ourselves so we don't even have to get to that heat stroke zone is obviously sunscreen.
Sunscreen's perfect. Wear hats, wear clothing that's going to protect your arms and your legs, wear good shoes, and that way you don't have to, with the sunscreen, yes. Also make sure your sunscreen's 30 or higher. Obviously, if your SPF is higher than 30, it's the best protection against the UVA and UVB rays.
And remember to reapply. I think that's what we forget a lot of times. We slather it on our bodies and we think, okay, we're good. But that's not always the case.
Reapplying is key because people sweat or they get in the pool often. And so that means you have to reapply and reapply and reapply your lotion.
And you can't just put a little bit on. I've heard that if you fill like a shot glass full of sunscreen, that's as much as you need to put on your body.
You need a lot of sunscreen, yes, a lot of sunscreen. So make sure you have it handy, whether it's a spray-on or it's the actual lotion. Also, another key thing is not going out between the hours of 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. That's when the sun's very bright and you have the UVA and the UVB rays are completely on your skin and they can possibly damage it. So if you can, try to stay inside between those hours, or if you happen to be out during those hours, apply the sunscreen, wear the hats, wear the clothes, all that stuff.
And if people would want some more information, if they do want to contact the health department and say, you know, I have some questions, you know, maybe I'm going out with my family to the park or whatever, and would like to know some more information about how we can be safe, how can they get a hold of you?
Yes, they can contact through our website, vigocounty.in.gov, or they can call our number 812-231-6227. There's also some other great websites that talk about skin cancer and other heat-related injuries.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for coming on and telling us about this very important and timely topic. We appreciate it. Thank you so much. If you'd like to see this segment again, go to our website at WTHI-TV.com.
The views expressed in this program are those of the presenters and sponsors and are not necessarily those of WTHI-TV or its corporate parent. This program is for informational and entertainment purposes only and is not intended to replace or substitute for any professional medical, financial, legal, or other advice. WTHI-TV makes no representations or warranties regarding this program.